Welcome, Yellow Medicine East students and families, back to the Hive for the 2020-2021 school year. This is Mr. Luff, principal, with a short little informational video as we begin the new school year. In this video, I will highlight important information located in the Welcome Back to the Hive letter emailed out today, as well as buzzing points, new updates to the JMC parent portal, Chromebook payment, student one-to-one acceptable form usage, and also the drive-in open house, which will be held on September 1st and September 2nd here at the middle school and high school. I want to thank all the Sting students who have waited so patiently by the mailboxes for this letter to arrive. As of August 19th, the Welcome Back to the Hive letter was emailed to the family email account on file within JMC and all student email accounts. I'm encouraging all families to sit down and to read this together, as there are many important updates as we begin the new school year. Located under buzzing points, you will find a variety of information that pertains to the upcoming school year. Most importantly, I encourage all families to take the time to read the District Return to Learn Plan, also the Yellow Medicine East Middle and High School full in-person and hybrid learning plans, as well as the distance learning plan. Also, under the buzzing points, you will find how we will begin the school year by student and family registration through the JMC parent portal, schedule changes, and much, much more. Parents may access the JMC parent portal located on the Yellow Medicine East website. Just a reminder, the username is the parent's last name and the same password that was used last year. If you have forgotten your password, there is a Forgot Password recovery feature within JMC. If you need any assistance, please contact the high school office. Once in JMC, you will see a variety of tabs located on the left side. You will see a tab titled Registered for the 2020-2021 school year. We are asking all families to complete the steps within this feature of JMC. Once you have clicked the Register for the 2020-2021 tab, you will see a variety of information that is located within the JMC program. We are asking all parents to verify information. As you proceed through the tabs located here at the top, you will come to the last tab titled Downloadable Content. Here you will find two forms which will be needed to complete the Chromebook registration process for the upcoming school year. Please click on the one-to-one acceptable use policy and Chromebook agreement form located here. A document will be downloaded to your computer. Please open that file. Within that file, you will see the Yellow Medicine East Student One-to-One Acceptable Use Policy. Please take time to review the policy and guideline expectations for the school-issued Chromebook to be used outside of the school building. At the bottom of the form, you will see a hyperlink. Please click here to fill out the registration process through a Google form. This year, we are asking all families to complete the electronic Student-Parent Chromebook Agreement form. If you are unable, we will still accept a paper copy the night of the drive-in open house. As you go through the form, you will see it will be requesting a variety of information, such as parent, guardian, last name, first name, student, last name, first name, grade, whether you are going to choose to accept the available insurance policy. Another question we are asking due to the uncertainty of the upcoming school year is, do you have reliable internet access at home? Once you have read and understand the agreement policy, please hit Submit. After submitting, you will come to a summary page where you now will be able to pay for your Chromebook insurance online. If you have multiple students within the middle school and high school, you can register them here by clicking Submit Another Response. We will need a Chromebook agreement for each student in the middle school and high school. When redirected to the Sting store, you will pay for your Chromebook insurance electronically via credit card. Please fill out the number of students. If you have multiple students, please include them here. Also, the name of the youngest child will be located here, as well as grade. When finished, click Add to Shopping Cart. If you have multiple students here in the middle school and high school, please click on the hyperlink Add Notes. A box will pop up. Please add your child's name as well as grade level here. When finished, please hit Save and Exit. Now the moment everyone has been waiting for, the drive-in open house. On September 1st and September 2nd, from 4:30 to 7:30, we are inviting families and students for a drive-by open house. During this evening, students will receive their Chromebook as well as other educational supplies. Families with the last name A through L are asking to attend September 1st, and those families with last names of M through Z are asked to attend September 2nd. If there is a conflict due to time, please contact the Yellow Medicine East High School office at 320-564-4081.